Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video. This is my 2006 GSXR 600. Winter just ended, ready to start the bike. Had my battery taken out. As soon as I put the battery back in and tried to start the bike, it didn't want to start, so I assumed it's the battery that was dead. Gave it a jump and it still did not want to turn on. So what I did is I exchanged my battery through warranty, connected it back on. Bike struggled to start. I don't know if you guys are running into the same issue. So I looked on some forums online, Googled it. I did find that the problem was the fuse box. Right here, it's right below, behind the battery. If you guys look closely, there's one that says 10A ignition, and on the left it'll say spare. If you do open that up, which I'll do here, there's a 15 on there. I already used the spare. The spare is right next to it. It'll have another 15 on there. Take it out. Most likely the fuse is burned for the ignition. As soon as I did that, the bike just went ahead and started for me. Let me see if I can do it for you guys. Went ahead and started here for me, and yeah, hopefully this helps you guys out.